This is the video that wanted to show you how one of the installation Ador automatic door opener CROCO was installed on the Dodge Promaster. So we got some videos from one of the installers, and it was installed the CROCO system, gear train system on the Dodge Promaster. So I wanted to show you the videos, how it looks and how it works. Dodge Promaster. So guys, if you would like to purchase one of those openers from AdorUSA, Ador automatic door openers, install it on your Dodge Promaster, please look at the information above me. You can look information on the website, make an order by phone, by email, pay by PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, etc. We'll be happy to give you the details, information, and even making arrangements for certified installer to come by your place and install it in your garage or on your driveway. So just let us know. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send it to us. The questions, we'll be happy to answer any of your questions.